lost at night in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is bonus reading for February of 2025. So this is an energy update, all right? Baka sabihin nyo, February 2 na. Ngayon mo lang nilabas yung for February. Sayang naman yung ilang araw, no? Meron na pong nauna. Kaya nga po ito bonus, no? So ibig sabihin wala dapat talaga ito dahil maganda po yung response. As thank you, no? Bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng bonus reading? So meron na po tayong reading for February of 2025, no? Check nyo na lang po yung playlist. Again, hindi po ito late, okay? And meron na rin po tayo for February the 1st to February the 7th. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the Z notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong isang channel, Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So, iba po yung mga readings doon. No, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun naman po ang inyong reading. Ayan. Meron din po dong February of 2025, February 1st to February the 7th of 2025. Ayan. I also want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, or you may resonate with the entire reading. So take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Leo. Leo, ang nakikita natin dito, bakit parang hilong-hilo, litong-lito na tayo sa sitwasyon, sa mga nangyayari sa buhay-buhay. Ano bang klaseng relasyon ito? Ano bang klaseng sitwasyon itong pinasok ko, no? Ano na ba ako sa buhay mo, no? Bakit parang feeling ko ako lagi ang mali? Bakit parang feeling ko ang sisi ay nasa akin? Bakit parang feeling ko wala akong ginagawang tama, no? Pwede ito sa trabaho, pwede ito sa bahay, no, family, no, or pwede ito sa relationship. Now, for a few numbers of you, I think that medyo na aapektuhan na itong ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. It felt like pati ang ating pagtulog, no, Leo, medyo apektado na din. Lagi tayong nagigising sa madaling araw, lagi tayong may mga agam-agam, no, lagi tayong kinakabahan. We are parang actually afraid na baka bukas may mangyaring masama. I feel like masyado tayo nag-overthink to a point na nagkakaroon na tayo ng anxiety, to a point na parang feeling natin apektado ang ating mental health, no? To a point na meron pa ring mga bagay na hanggang pagtulog, no, bit-bit natin. One thing is for sure, whatever happened became traumatic, no, sa inyo. And parang gusto mong kumawala dito, namimiss mo na yung parang normal na buhay. There are times na parang siguro kahit sa trabaho, you're dragging yourself, no, sa trabaho. Ayaw mo nang tumayo, no? Kagigising mo lang, pagod ka na naman. Either you're also making excuses, no? Parang sinasabi mo may sakit ako kahit wala naman, no? Yung minsan totoo may sakit ka or sakitin ka na. Ngayon, yung iba naman, kahit wala ka naman sakit, parang feeling mo may masakit sa'yo, no? So, I feel like we need to have a conversation, no, with either friends, pero mas mabuti kung professional. Kasi pag friends, okay lang, minsan nagbibiroan. Pero kung health na yung pinag-uusapan natin, I think we need to consult, no, itong professional help. Kung naghahanap ka lang ng kausap at yung kumbaga, you want to parang lighten the day, no? Hindi masyadong iseryoso yung mga bagay, why not, no? At doon tayo sa mga friends, minsan makakapag-joke-joke pa, no? Pero I feel like medyo less na rin ang mga pagpo-post natin. Wala na rin tayong puro nood na lang tayo, no? We feel like ang ating karelasyon ngayon ay ang ating kama, banig, papag, kutsyon, sofa, no? Kung saan tayo komportabling nahihiga. With the Seven of Wands in here, kind of make me feel na may pinaglalabanan naman natin. That's for sure, no? Ayaw nga natin tong nangyayari. Ayaw nga natin na nandun lang tayo. Pero anong magagawa natin kung parang hinihila tayo nitong energy na ito na wag kang kumilos, no? Gustong-gusto mo naman, minsan tatayo ka, konting-konting, ano yun, parang konting kilos, maghihikab ka, feeling mo hapong-hapo, no? With the temperance, ito nga yung sinasabi natin, somehow, you are trying to fight for the, what do you call this? What is happening, this energy, no? I feel like, as you can see, the temperance, no, medyo you're testing the waters, no? Merong mga fear pero kina-conquer. Ganun pa man, medyo nagwawagi pa rin. The good thing about here is you want to survive. You want to get this tawag dun, get this out of your system, no? With the Eight of Pentacles, so siguro it's either burnout or masyado tayong nabobore kasi parang paulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari. Masyado tayong nabobore kasi nawala itong focus, nawala itong inspiration, no? Bakit ka mo? Kasi siguro dumating din yung time na hindi rin tayo napapansin, hindi tayo pinapahalagan. We were taken for granted. We might also be in a situation na someone may probably betrayed our trust, or baka we feel like we are not enough for other people. We might feel like we are not enough to be loved and to love other people, no? It, for a few numbers of you, baka mamaya ang sistema lang ng ating you might be a breadwinner, no? Ang sistema ng ating buhay, pagising sa umaga, trabaho, pagdating ng trabaho, makikipagsiksikan sa pauwi, uwi, tulog. The next morning, ganun na naman. So, it becomes robotic, no? With the Queen of Wands, siguro sinusubukan rin naman natin makipag-usap. Pero ang pakikipag-usap natin dito, it's not more of what we are going through. Pwede tayo nakikipag-usap sa trabaho, pwedeng yung pa bits and pieces lang, no, pa-hint-hint, pero more of sa work, no? More of sa money. So, ang sakit din isipin minsan, lalo na pagdating sa bahay, hindi man lang makamusta na, kamusta yung araw? Okay ba ang araw na ito? Kumain ka ba? No? Napagod ka ba? Gusto mo ba ng masahe? No? Yung mga konting ganun lang na kahit nga sabihin nila na thank you ha, dahil ginagawa mo ito para sa amin, no? I feel like medyo hindi natatouch yung mga ganung mga bagay. With the Six of Wands naman, no? I feel like there is some good news. There should be a lot of good news. Pero kahit parang may good news yan, ngingitian mo lang, tapos parang, yun nga, parang you even feel na hindi mo na rin na-appreciate kung ano itong mga bagay na pwedeng mangyari. But I feel like something is gonna happen in here with the tower moment. No, um, if this is a transformation, I'm okay with the tower moment kasi tower moment probably yung mga tao is sobrang takot sa tower moment, and why not? Kasi tower moment signifies devastation, breakage, no? Uh, Parang delubyo. Pero sometimes tower moment can also signify transformation. If this is you reinventing yourself, if this is you parang um, the situation is just being shaken for the benefit of you grow for the benefit of your growth, I believe na bakit hindi, no? Why not? Why not coconut with the Eight of Wands? Sandaling-sandali lang naman ito with the Four of Cups. Um, Parang feeling ko, ang maganda naman nangyayari dito since parang you feel numb, no? Parang feeling mo wala na akong nararamdaman. O sige, okay lang. No, may mga nangyayari diyan. Wow, ang bigat, Leo, kasi parang the feeling here is you lost the enthusiasm to live. Hindi para gawin ang mga bagay na matapos na itong paghinga, no? We are not gonna do that, and we are not going to go there. All right. Ang sinasabi lang natin dito is, okay, kung meron tayong mga sitwasyon na nangyayari, okay lang din, no? Lilipas din yan. Yung birthday ko nga lumipas di ba? Na wala akong ginawa. So itong problemang to, alam kong lilipas din yan. Yung nga lang din, alam mong lilipas, may time na ayoko na lang din kumilos. Bahala na si Batman. Now, with the Ten of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups, siguro one of the reason is bakit nawalan tayo ng enthusiasm is medyo bumagal ang pagpasok either ng pera, no? Kasi what Pentacles is abundant, no? Yung abundance natin. Ano ba yung pinaka-importante sa atin sa ngayon? Yun yung abundance mo. Again, abundance may differ from each and every person. Abundance for other people or for most people, no? Itong money. Abundance for other people is peace of mind. Abundance for other people is health. Abundance for other people is love. Diba? Abundance for other people are fertility. Diba? Abundance for other people are happiness, travel, no? So there's a lot. Kung ano man itong abundance na parang pinapahalagahan mo, medyo bumabagal ang takbo. And I'm seeing here challenges with the Ten of Wands. Parang feeling mo, pasan ko, no? Itong mga, yes, I know, itong mga stick na ito, yung iba niyan sa akin. Pero yung iba dito, alam kong hindi naman akin to. Ako yung pumapasa ng problema ng iba, no? And I feel like, yun nga, bakit ako ang taga-resolve ng solusyon ng iba? With the King of Pentacles in here, to a point siguro na sacrifice, no? Itong abundance na iniingatan natin. What I'm trying to say here, parang sige, if I have savings, no, nagalaw ko. Not for me, but for other people, no. If that is family, sometimes yes, it's okay. Pero parang feeling ko naman dito sa nangyayari, bakit walang ginagawang paraan, no? Parang nakasandal. With the Three of Pentacles in here, you're thinking about moving out. Or probably, for a few numbers of you, what I am really seeing in here is surpassing the challenges, looking for a solution. Ngayon, I think na how can we look for a solution to get out of this situation? No, with the Page of Swords, I'm seeing here an agreement, either agreement with your family, with your person, with your it could be also a business. It could be an agreement with your company. No, page of swords is an agreement with the nine of cups. I feel like kung ano, kasi nine of cups is wish fulfillment. So, nakita nyo naman, maganda ang resulta. So, ngayon, parang ang nakikita ko, itong sitwasyon mo ay pinagdadaanan, gano'n man ito kahaba, no? Gano'n man ito ka depressed, yun na nga, sabihin na natin. Dadating din yung araw na makakapagsalita tayo, either kung gusto nyong umalis, makapagsarili din kayo, no? Magkakabalikan din kayo, makakapagtayo ka rin ng business, makukuha mo rin itong mga perang nawala. Your wish will be fulfilled. The Nine of Cups, nakita nyo naman, pinalasa ko ang baraha. So which means, we don't need to find the solution. I feel like it will happen. It will land on your lap on the divine timing, no? So sa tamang panahon, no? Hindi ko sinasabing magtamad-tamaran na, 'di ba? Mas maganda kung ibibigay tapos naghahanda ka, 'di ba? That's a win-win situation. Parang wala nang kawala dito, no? Ang solusyon dahil pinaghahandaan ko na at ibibigay pa sa akin ay bonggam-bongga, no? So, let's check some more cards here. Ipapaalala ko lang po, no, na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, which is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon. So, you can visit the channel and ask questions. That's real-time, interactive. Meron din pong ibang readings, no? So, iba yung readings doon, iba yung readings dito. Again, that's international. So, doon po, meron na rin po tayo for February of 2025, February 1st to February the 7th. Ito po, bonus lang ito. Okay? Kung hindi nyo naman po maabutan itong live sessions doon, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Okay? Pero, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Now, click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. Question form, how much per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Ayan. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, tingnan na natin itong other cards. Fox. So, ang nakikita natin dito, fox kasi is parang, this is a different kind of breed, no? Ng, sabihin nating dog, di ba? A different kind of breed, medyo mas matapang, mas mabilis, mas agresibo. Ngayon, parang sa isang pack, no? Parang ikaw yung inaasahan na mag-lead, no? Pero kasi sa ngayon, ang nakikita natin dito, the leader is getting weaker, no? And I feel like we need to focus and we need to always remind ourselves, no, na kapag tayo ang gumuho, mas maraming tao ang guguho. With the echoes in here, I feel like you are praying. And it felt like, bakit wala namang nakakarinig sa akin, no? Bakit parang yung mga sinasabi ko bumabalik lang sa akin? And it felt like, parang wala, 'di ba? Parang sa laki ng mundong ito, bakit parang ako lang lagi ang inaasahan? Ako lang ang ako sa akin lang bumabalik, no? Minsan ako na yung tumulong, ako pa ang naging problema, no? Ako pa napasama. So, yeah, medyo masakit 'yon. Tingnan natin ang message ng universe sa iyo. Thank you, universe, for helping me see beyond the limits of fear. Thank you for expanding my perception so that I can see what is of the highest good. So I feel like binigyan ka ng isang task, ng isang posisyon na hindi magagawa ng iba. I feel like kailangan nating ipagpasalamat. Hindi yung challenge, pwede rin yung challenges, pero more of ipagpasalamat yung posisyon na ibinigay sa atin dahil kaya sa yan ibinigay. Ibig sabihin, you're strong enough, you're powerful enough, and I feel like ikaw ang parang savior, no, ng small community na ito, no. Dapat natin din ipagpasalamat minsan ang mga challenges dahil ito ang nagpapatibay, nagpapabuti, nagpapaliwanag, no, sa ating kadiliman. Ayan, kumanta pa tayo by Pablo. Mas maganda yung ano ni Pablo, no, yung kanyang version. Tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ng iyong ng iyong person or those people no involved. I'm seeing Pisces, Sagittarius, Cancer, Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn. Yeah, Sagittarius is here. Leo is here. Yep, so that is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.